Hello and welcome back. Today we're going to do page number 24, workout 12. Let's start with question number 1. It says fill in the missing numbers. We need to find 0, 2, 4 and these two missing numbers. To find the missing numbers, we need to see the difference between the 0 and the 2. To find the difference between those two numbers, we need to put the 0 in our mind and we need to open the fingers and count how much fingers it takes to go to number 2. 0 in our mind and 1, 2. I have 2 fingers open, which means 0 plus 2 equals 2. And now we need to see what is the difference between the 2 and the 4. We have to keep the 2 in our mind and count on our fingers up to 4. 3, 4. I have 2 fingers open, which means 2 plus 2 equals 4. Now we know our pattern is plusing 2, which means 4 plus 2 is 6, our first missing number, and 6 plus 2 is 8, our second missing number. Now let's do the second one. It says something, 5, 10, 15, something. Those two somethings are our missing numbers. Now, to find out this first missing number, we need to do 10 take away something equals 5. And we need to find the difference between these two. We put 10 in our we can put 5 in our mind and count forward and see how much it takes to go to the 10, or we can put 10 in our mind and see how much less we need to do to go to 5. We can put 10 in our mind and 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. I have 5 fingers open, which means 10 take away 5 is 5. So this missing, we can check properly if it's plusing 5 in our pattern by checking the difference between the 10 and 15. 10 plus what is 15? 10 in our mind and count onwards to 15 and opening our fingers. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yeah, again we have 5 fingers open, which means we can write plus 5. And now we know our pattern is plusing 5. So something plus 5 is equal to 5. And we know because something plus 5 and the answer is the same, we know when we add something to 0, the answer stays the same, so we can write 0 here. And for our second missing number, 15 plus 5 is equal to 20. Now these are our 2 missing numbers we have found. Now let's do question number 2. It says subtract 3 from each number. First number is 16. We put 16 in our mind and count backwards 3 because we're subtracting. 15, 14, and 13. 16 take away 3 is 13. Our second number is 20. 20 in our mind and 19, 18, 17. 20 take away 3 is 17. Now let's do question number 3. It says a pencil costs 15p. Yuri pays with a 20p coin. Take the coin he gets as change. Let's make an equation here. A pencil costs 15p. Okay, you can write 15p here. He paid with a 20p coin. 20p might be important. Take the coin as he gets change. The amount of money he gave was 20 and it's a bigger number, so to find the answer we need to see how much money he gave and subtract how much the pencil costs. 20p take away 15p. We can do column addition. The first number here goes first, 20p, and the other number is 15. We write 15p, and we write a takeaway sign here because we're takeawaying. And now let's take away. 0 take away 5. You can't do that because 0 is a smaller number. So we need to regroup. The 0 will ask his neighbor. Here it asks the neighbor the number 2. If he can borrow one number. The 2 then looks under it and see if it's a smaller or bigger number. 1 is a smaller number than 2. So he says, okay, he crosses himself out, he turns into a 1. And then because he gave 1 to the 0, so the 0 became a 10. Now we need to do 10 take away 5, which is 5. And because this 2 turned into a 1, we now need to do 1 take away 1, which is 0. The 0, 5 actually means like 5 because the 0 before a number has no value. Our answer is 5. Now we need to find the 5p coin in out of these coins. The first one is a 10p coin because you can see it says 10 here. This one is a 20p coin because it has 20 here. Yeah, this one is a 5p coin because it says 5 there. So we can tick this box. Now let's do question number 4. It says work out these multiplications. First multiplication is 6 times 2. 6 times 2 you might not know, but the same as is 2 times 6. You write it in an opposite way, but the answer is always the same. And there's a picture here to help us. There is 6 groups, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And in each group there are 2 books. So 6 times 2, we add up all these books, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Which means 6 times 2 is 12. And which means 2 times 6 is also 12. Now let's do the second one. It says 4 times 5 equals. 4 times 5 is the same as 5 times 4. And there's even a picture here to help us. There is 4 groups, baskets, and in each basket there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 eggs. So we add up all these eggs. We know there's 5 here, and then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Answer here is 20. And 5 times 4 is also 20.
Let's start with page number 25. Question number 5. Look at these items. Muffin, cookie. Muffin stated 40p and cookie 25p. How much do a muffin and a cookie cost in total? So we need to find out the total cost of muffin and cost. So we muffin and cookie. So we know the muffin is 40p and the cookie is 25p. In order to find the total, we need to add them together. So 5 add 0 give us 5. 4 add 2 give us 6. So that's 65p. Alright, second part. How much more does a muffin cost than a cookie? So here we need to find out the difference in price between a muffin and cookie. So the muffin is more expensive than a cookie. So we need to find out how much more expensive the muffin is from the cookie, or how much more it cost from the cookie. So it's 45 and it's takeaway. So we need to take away from the highest value, the lowest value, and then we'll find the difference of the price. So 0 take away 5 is not possible. So 0 will ask to his 10 neighbors that can you borrow me a 1, and now the 10 will say okay, let me check below myself, and then it looks it's 2. I said yes, that's smaller than me, no issue, I can borrow you 1. So borrow it become 3 and it gives 1 here. So now it becomes 10. The 1 is gone from the 10 area, so this become 10. So 10 take away 5 is 5 and 3 take away 2 is 1, right? So the answer is, the difference is 15p. So 15p. So the muffin costs 15p more than the cookie. Now question number 6. Laila buys an ice cream for 50p. She uses 3 coins and get no change. Circle the coins she pays with. So the question is saying that she bought an ice cream which cost a 50p. So the total is 50p, right? And she spent 3 coins. So we need to find out what 3 coins are, and she is not getting any change. So this is the exact 3 coins will be is equal to 50p. So let's look on the coins we have. So we have a 50p, right? And then we have a 20p, 10p, 20p, 5p, and 5p. So if we add 50p, the 50p, that's the only one coin, right? That's not possible because she spent 3 coins. So the 50 is not the answer. Then if we look at 20 and 20 makes 40, that's 2 coins, and 10. So 20 plus 20 plus 10 makes 50. So these are the coins she used to buy the ice cream. So this one, and this one, because 20 plus 20 plus 10 gives us answer 50. Because when we add ones with ones, it's 0, ones with ones, it's 0. And then tens with tens, and 10 with tens. So 2 plus 2, 4 plus 1, 5. So the answer is 50. Okay, let's go to question number 7. Flix describes when his birthday is. Yesterday was Tuesday. My birthday is tomorrow. Fill in the missing day of the week. Flex's birthday is on. So we need to find out when is the Flex birthday is. So we have given 2 hints. So yesterday is Tuesday, right? So let's write the days. So it's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, right? So we've been told that yesterday was Tuesday. So this was yesterday. I put Y. So if it's yesterday, Tuesday, then today will be Wednesday, right? And the birthday is tomorrow. So if today is Wednesday, what is the tomorrow? So the tomorrow will be Thursday. So the birthday will be on Thursday. I hope you understand the question number 7. If you have any issues or any confusion, write me in a comment and I will re explain you. Thank you very much for watching. Have a good day. Bye.